Hi, I'm Jim Christner with HD Pocket Doors. We're out here on site at one of the custom homes that we have provided pocket door frames in. We've got 5 frames in various locations here. Most of them are from bedroom to bathroom. We do have one in a pantry. This is kind of a typical custom home here in North Scottsdale. Very large open area here. The kitchen leads into a pantry that has one of our doors in it. This is the pantry, that kitchen that way, hallway this way. And then there's a primary bedroom over here that leads into the primary bathroom. And there's another frame right here as well. And this leads into the bathroom with a water closet, large walk-in. And then we go to the other side of the house. And then here we have a guest bedroom that has one of our pocket door frames in it, leading into a bathroom and a walk-in closet. Down the hall and to our right, we have another guest bedroom, and it has a pocket frame going into a bathroom and another walk-in closet. And then the last one that we have is in a secondary primary bedroom with a pocket frame leading into another luxury bathroom. Love the way those things are so smooth and quiet. This frame right here is our typical 5500 HDPD with a 200 CS track and hardware, soft close, soft open. This is equipped with our black anodized track, our Blackout frame. So you look up and you can barely detect the track that's up in there. The 5500 signifies that this is in a 5.5-inch wall. We're able to use our 1.5-inch steel post on either side of the wall. They've chosen to use an 1 3/8 thick door. You could go up to 1 3/4 door with this particular frame if you'd so desire. It's trimmed out with 11/16 finger jointed jambs, and they've done a kerf on this jamb. So it leaves about a 1/2-inch reveal on the jamb, and then they've used a square corner bead that goes into that kerf, and then all they have to do is just put a little small bead of caulking to hide that joint there. So this is a really clean finish. There's several different options that you could do. You wouldn't have to go with a square. That's just what this particular customer chose. This can also be a round corner bead. You could just do a number of different trim options with that. But it's got the 11/16 split jamb. It's also got an 11/16 slam jamb over here on this side. When we embarked on this pocket door journey, there was no soft close, soft open. And so when you pulled on the door, the rollers brought it, and then it would actually slam into this jamb. That's why you call it the slam jamb. Now with the soft close, it comes in a hurry, slows down, and just stops without making a lot of noise. Same way it does going back in. One thing that this door is not equipped with the hardware yet. That's why I have the blue tape on there so that I can pull it out, push on the back stile there to have it go in. This door is also equipped with our aluminum T-guide, which is mounted on the floor. And so that guides it, keeps the door nice and solid, guides the door in, guides the door out. That's just such a smooth finish. I love that, the way it closes. The pocket door is really a space-saving option. You could not have a door at all here, just have an opening, which has its drawbacks as well. Say someone gets up early and has to turn on lights to do what they want to do in the bathroom. The light comes out, wakes up whoever's still sleeping. So the pocket door is a nice option. A swinging door takes 10 square feet to open up. This is a 36-inch door, so 10 square feet is eliminated from your use. With a pocket door, it's functional when you need it. When you don't need it, it's completely tucked away and you don't even know it's there. So that's really a good space-saving option that we have with the pocket doors. So it's not very often that we get an opportunity to come and see our finished product. A lot of times we come, install the frame, we come out, we do a quality check, make sure that everything is there, nothing's missed. When we do, we want to share it with you as much as we can. Thanks for coming along today. We appreciate it. We appreciate you looking into our website, following us on Instagram, taking part in all the videos that we put out so that you can see what we're doing.